Hello all, welcome back. Today we are going to see the part 2 video of the brain. If you haven't seen a part 1, please go and watch the part 1. I have given you a link in description box for the good understanding of part 2. So, let's get started. In the last video, we have seen the major first 6 parts of the brain. They were top cerebral cortex, front cerebral cortex, Broca's area, auditory cortex, somatosensory cortex and touch processing part. In this video, we will see about the rest of the parts. The parts are Geschwinds territory, Wernickets area, visual cortex, limbic system, visual processing area, cerebellum. At last we are going to see the additional one, that is spinal cord. Part 6, Geschwinds territory. This part of the brain helps us to acquire language during childhood. It helps us to learn to speak. Part 7, Wernickets area. This area is help us to understand written and spoken language. Part 8, Vision cortex. This part of the brain receives signals from the eyes and process them to identify the basic shapes and pattern. It helps us to visualize the object, which is one of the major sense of our body. Part 9, Visual processing area. This area is called the processing area. Basic shapes and patterns already identified by the visual cortex are processed further here. At last, this area is helping us to recognize the objects what we see. Part 10, Limbic system. While the outer part of the brain deals with the higher mental process such as thought, plan, understanding the other people's thought, the limbic system is located at the deep inside of the brain. It controls the basic drives and emotions such as pleasure, fear, anger, etc. This system is called the limbic system. It is also the responsible for basic instinct. What is basic instinct? Basic instinct means it is nothing. I give you some example. If some glass bottles are falling down from the table, our hands will automatically catch the thing and save that without any guidance of others. So that reaction is called the basic instinct. This limbic system is responsible for that. Part 11, Cerebellum. This cerebellum part is separated from the rest of the brain. It helps to coordinate the muscles so they work in perfect time. Last but not least, here we comes to the most important part of the human body. Part 12, the spinal cord. The brain and the spinal cord are your body's central nervous system. The brain is the command center for your body and the spinal cord is the pathway for message sent by the brain to the body and from the body to the brain. This spinal cord is the long fragile tube-like structure that begins at the end of the brainstem and continues down almost to the bottom of the spine. So this is called the spinal cord, and we have reached to the end of the session. Thank you. These are the brain and its parts. The next video we will see the chemical inside the brain and their responsibility. Stay tuned. If you like this video, please like, share and comment. To see more of our videos, please subscribe the channel. Thank you for your support.